Okay, so we got 100 divided by 5/7 squared plus 200 divided by 2/3 squared. We got to solve this using the order of operations PEMDAS. So we start with parentheses and then do exponents, then multiply or divide from left to right, then add or subtract from left to right. Now, parentheses first. I see some parentheses in there, but are there any operations inside the parentheses themselves, though? That's the question, right? So there's nothing to do in there. So you've got a 5/7, but there's no adding or subtracting going on, or multiplying or anything. There's a 2/3 in parentheses, but there's nothing to do, right? But we do have exponents, so that comes next, doesn't it? So exponents, this is squared, right? And this is squared, 2/3. Woo. So that's 5/7 times 5/7, right? And this one is 2/3 times 2/3. So let's just calculate each of these with our exponents, right? So what do we get for this one? Yeah, multiply the tops, 25, multiply the bottoms, 49. And for this one, yep, multiply the tops 4, multiply the bottoms 9. Then we just write out the whole thing again. So we have 100 divided by that plus 200 divided by that. So now we have some operations. So the exponents are done. That's nice. It does look a little bit better, right? Looks a little bit neater, doesn't it? We're getting there. We have a divide, add, then divide. What do we do first? Divide or add? Divide. Yep. We'll follow PEMDAS. The next thing to do is divide. And afterwards we'll add. So we have a division here. And we have a division here, right? So when we divide by a fraction, we need to do what? Yep. And multiply by... Yeah, exactly. Multiply by the reciprocal. Flip that fraction around, multiply by 49 over 25. Good job. And write the 100 as a fraction. 100 over 1. So that can take care of that, and then we'll do the same thing with this. So that divide by 4/9 is the same thing as multiplying by... Yep, 9/4. And that 200 can be written as... Perfect. Good. And now we can multiply. So, if you all really want to, you could multiply the top here and then multiply the bottoms, and you would get 4,900 over 25. Holy moly. Then you'd have to simplify that. Is there a better way? Right. Good job. 25 and 25 goes once. 25 into 100 4 times. Great. How about this one? Should we write this as like, let's see, 1800 over 4 and then simplify it, or what? So you think 4 might go into 200? So let's do it little by little. 4 into 4 goes once. Just put your finger over that 0 and look at that and call that 20. What's 4 into 20? Good. So just cross out the 20 and write 5 up there. Can you do that? 4 into 20 goes 5 times. Now, what's 4 into this 0? Good. So cross that 0 out and write 0 up here. So 4 into 200 is actually 50. But see how we did that step by step? So you didn't have to do it all at once. You can break it down like that if you want to. Yep. All right. So now we got 4 times 49 over 1 times 1. So we should do 49 times 4. Right? So let's see. 4 9s, 36. Carry 3. 4 4, 16. And 3 1 9 6. So that is 196 over 1, or just 196, same thing. Now what's this one here? 50 times 9? $50 times 9. 50 times 9. Yep. 9 times 0, 0. 9 times 5, 45. Right? Yes. So that's 450 over 1, or just 450. Yep. So add them together, 196, and I'll add them here. 6, 4, carry 1, 6, right? So we should get 646. Okay with that?